What's up everyone, Tim here, HBP. I just want to show you guys my homemade incubator that we did. We used an old mini fridge. We ended up gutting out the back. And real quick in here, we got our water bottles to help for some insulation and heat. I got one of our egg boxes with our eggs in it. Show you guys a quick peek here. We got our 4 eggs in there. Those will be hatching not too long from now. And then just got a couple boxes in there, just kind of filling up space. And got our motor in there. Can't really see, my lighting's not the greatest. And as far as heating goes, I'm actually using 2 heat mats that I actually have hooked up to a thermostat, and right now it's doing pretty good. It's keeping the incubator at 90 degrees, and then keeping our eggs about 88, 89 degrees. And that is a quick video on our egg incubator, and eventually someday down the line we will upgrade to a bigger one. And other than that, please subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.